Next up, we have our girls who will be joining us on stage, who will perform Le Tausala. This song speaks of the taualuga performed by a taupou. The strength of a Tama'ita'i Samoa characteristic reflects in the beauty, elegance, and grace in her actions and movements. They represent the Malu, or dignity of their ancestors, families, and villages. Please welcome our Manuiti and Manu'ula class performing Le Tausala.